Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export data from Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM allows you to manage leads, contacts, deals and other businesses information. Exporting data can be useful for the backing up your CRM data. First, open one of the browsers that you prefer and in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you reach into this interface of your Zoho, you need to select to this CRM over here. And over here what you can do is scroll a bit down until you find to this Access Zoho CRM. Select to this. And over here, the top right corner, again, there's a small setting setup icon. Select to this setting here. So over here in the setup icon, what you can do is scroll a bit down until you find to this administration and select to this export. So over here, you can export a max of 200,000 records. To export all of your data, you'll need to request data backup. Simply select to and start an export. And you can also select a module. You can either select your users, accounts, calls. I'm going to select to this users here. And you can also choose a file type. And after that, you can select to the export in the bottom and it will start exporting. And a file will start to export. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.